Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on forklifts, propane tank safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Propane is a clean burning fuel used by forklifts. However, just like with any chemical or fuel, caution must be taken when refilling or changing the propane tanks on forklifts. This lesson will cover the specific hazards when using propane, how to inspect propane tanks, guidelines for filling and installing, and safe storage practices. When you have completed your inspection and are ready to fill or install the tank, this is a critical time to be safety conscious. Make sure you do not fill around any open flames or ignition sources. Especially do not smoke while filling or changing cylinders. Fill the tank in the designated filling area. Do not leave the tank unsupervised while it is filling. Position the cylinder correctly. Otherwise, the forklift may give false sign that the cylinder is empty. The forklift will not run as well and a lot of propane will be wasted. Slowly open the valve to the forklift after the cylinder is properly mounted. Make sure there are no leaks in the tank or valves after installation. Look, listen, and smell. Look, frost will form around leaks. Listen, tank pressure will create a hissing noise if there is a leak. Smell, although propane is an odorless gas, bad smells like rotten eggs or skunks are added to it so people can tell if there is a leak. When it comes to storage, the proper procedures must be followed to ensure the continued safety of the forklift, the space, and other employees who will use the propane tank. Cylinders should be stored upright. Cylinders can be stored horizontally, but as long as the pressure relief valve is above the liquid level of the cylinder, so only vapor will leak from the cylinder instantly.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.